Hi, I welcome you to the discussion on how to double your capital in just 10 days using Bank Nifty options, that too with just one trade per day. Now let's look at the capital used and total trades which we are going to make per day using this strategy. So for this strategy, I'm going to use a fixed capital per day as rupees 50,000. You can even use, if you don't have much capital, you can even use 10,000, 20,000, or if you have more capital, you can even use 1 lakh, 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs. It's up to your capacity and your budget. And as already discussed, total trades we are going to make is just one trade per day, not more than that. And one important thing you have to note down here is we are going to use fixed capital. We are not, let's say today you are starting your trade with 50,000 capital and you make a profit of about 5,000 or 10,000. You have to take it as a payout. It's your profit. So tomorrow again you are going to start with 50,000, not with 55,000 or 60. Always use the fixed capital. So I intentionally mentioned as fixed capital per day. So here we are going to use the fixed capital as rupees 50,000. Now let's look at the target earnings per day using this strategy. So target earnings in 10 days is 100%. As I already mentioned in the subject line, how to double the capital in 10 days. That means in 10 days we are going to double your capital. Double means 100%. Okay. Now let's make a simple calculation on the total earnings that we are targeting per day. That is, target earnings per day is equals to target earnings in 10 days, which is the double. So if you have to calculate for one day, you have to divide it by 10. So finally it will become target earnings in 10 days by 10. So the target earnings which we are targeting in 10 days is 100% divided by number 10. So 100% by 10 is equals to 10%. So far we have discussed the capital used, which is 50,000 per day, and total trades per day is just one trade. And then we discussed the target earnings per day. So basically in the subject line I said doubling your money in just 10 days. That means 100% in 10 days. So we have calculated, if we have to make 100% in 10 days, we have to make 10% every day. So that's all fine. But the main question is how 10% profit per day with just rupees 50,000 capital, and that too with just one trade per day in Bank Nifty options. Okay, are you ready to make 100% profit by doubling your capital in just 10 days? If your answer is yes, watch the video till the end to know how you can double your capital in just 10 days using this simple strategy. Before taking a look at the strategy, we need to remember a few key points. So now let's look at the important points to remember. The first and very important one is we need to maintain discipline. Do only one trade per day. Do not overtrade. Do not make any forcible trades. And analyze, wait, and then trade. Now let's look at these important points once again. The first one is you need to maintain discipline. The discipline here is just one trade per day is allowed, not more than that. So do not overtrade. No need to make any forcible trades. You need to analyze, wait, and then once you get the opportunity, trade. So this is the psychology or mindset before taking a look at the strategy. Let's quickly take a look at the total capital and target earnings per day. So the fixed capital per day we are using here is 50,000. As I already told you, this 50,000 capital which I'm using is just for the illustration purpose. You can even start with just 10,000, 20,000, or if you have more capital, you can start with 1 lakh, 5 lakh, 10 lakhs, or even more than that. So the strategy which I'm going to discuss here is applicable to any capital which you are gonna use. So capital doesn't matter here, it's just the strategy. So just take a look at the strategy, understand it, and you can implement this strategy with any capital. Okay, now the target earnings per day which we are targeting is 10%. So now we are all set to take a look at the strategy. Now we have come to the main crux of this video, that is the strategy. In this strategy, we will buy 10 lots at a time, and total capital we are using is rupees 50,000. So we are going to buy 10 lots of Bank Nifty options, and the capital we are going to deploy is rupees 50,000. So now if you want to calculate the capital we can use per lot, which is the total capital we have divided by 10. We are dividing the total capital by 10 because we are going to buy 10 lots of Bank Nifty options at a time. So rupees 50,000 by 10 is equals to rupees 5,000. That means we have to look at a Bank Nifty option which we can buy for 5,000 rupees. Now we have come to the implementation part of the strategy, that is buy at 200 and sell at 220. Don't wink your eyes by looking at buy at 200 and sell at 220. I'm gonna explain what is buy at 200 and what is sell at 220. Okay, we all know the Bank Nifty lot size is 25. So now if you want to calculate the value of the option, we can select per lot, which is equals to rupees 5,000 by 25. What is this 5,000? We have already discussed this in the previous slide. Here the capital we can use per lot is rupees 50,000 by 10, which is 5,000, right? Okay, so that is 5,000. So 5,000 divided by 25 is 200 points. So this is what buy at 200 is. So you got to know, you need to look at a Bank Nifty option which is trading at around 200 rupees. So the second part is sell at 220. Okay, now let's take a look at how do we arrive at 220. So we know target earnings per lot is target amount per lot divided by lot size. What is our target amount per lot? It is rupees 500. How did we arrive at rupees 500 is we are using rupees 5,000 per lot. So, and also we are targeting 10% profit per lot. That means 5,000 by 10 is 500. So finally the target amount per lot is rupees 500 divided by lot size is 25. So we are targeting for 20 points, just 20 points. We have already bought a Bank Nifty option at 200. So if you add 20 points to that 200, it becomes 220. So the strategy is buy at 200 and sell at 220. Here we need to select a Bank Nifty option trading at 200 points, wait for the trigger point, buy at 200 points and sell the underlying at 220 points. Now, do you think buying a Bank Nifty option at 200 and selling at 220 is a difficult task? If the answer is no, you are all set to make 10% profit per day. That is doubling your capital within just 10 days. If your answer is yes, that is selecting a Bank Nifty option trading at 200 points and then selling it at 220. Don't worry. I'm gonna make a separate video on how to select a Bank Nifty option which is trading at around 200 points and also how to sell it at 220. Okay, now let's summarize what we have discussed so far. We have to buy a Bank Nifty option at 200 points and sell the underlying at 220 points. That is with a profit of 20 points. Okay, now let's look at the target earnings per lot. That is 20 points. That is 20 points into 25. 25 is the Bank Nifty lot size. So 20 into 25 becomes 500. So the target earnings per lot is 20 points or rupees 500. So now the target earnings for 10 lots is equals to target earnings per lot into 20. We know the target earnings per lot is 500 rupees and into 10 will become rupees 5,000. Our capital deployed is rupees 50,000. So 5,000 will become 10% of our capital deployed. With this we have achieved 10% profit per day. So if you continue the same strategy for next 10 days, you are going to double your capital. That is, you are going to make 100% profit. Important pointers to keep in mind. First one is, don't get greedy and put the sell orders at 250, 260 or 300 instead of 220, thinking you can mint more money. No, not advisable. First, you need to try with a strategy which you can do it on a regular basis, which you can do it on every given day. The next very important point is stop loss. So stop loss is mandatory for all trades so that you won't lose major portion of your capital when your analysis goes wrong. The last one is, we can discuss more on how to put stop loss, how and when to select a Bank Nifty option trading at rupees 200 in future videos. I have given a very simple strategy which, if you follow with the guidelines given, can change your life. So if you have not understood any slide, or if you want to understand it more thoroughly, please go back and watch the video once again. You can watch the video any number of times till you understand this, because this is a very simple strategy which you can do, which you can use on a daily basis and mint money like anything. If you like the video, please hit on the like button, share the video with your friends, relatives, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you get the notifications. Thank you.